You talked about it, guys. It's really warm outside, and matter of fact, the next 7 days, 80s. So
wow,
very, very warm for this middle and early part of February. So let's talk about that, and let's chat about the overall pattern between here and Florida and the Carolinas, above average warmth. And that means temperatures here in San Antonio, just how it was today. Upper 70s, lower to middle 80s. Matter of fact, by the latter half of this week, upcoming week, we're forecasting highs near 85 to 86 by about Friday and Saturday. Matter of fact, take a look at this. Here's the next several days. Overall, fairly dry and spring-like. 80 tomorrow, 82 Tuesday, 81 Wednesday. There will be some morning fog, morning drizzle, but that's the extent of the rain chance over the next several days. Mostly dry in the afternoons and evenings. Okay, weather around town, it is partly cloudy, some high-level clouds moving overhead. 80 at the airport, Bulverde at 74, south winds at 8, Lakey at 73, 78 at Floresville, and about 75 over in Helotes. Zooming out, notice it's warm out west, 85 in Del Rio, 85 at Eagle Pass, even some 70s east of I-35 towards Hallettsville, Victoria, Columbus, LaGrange. Here is the overnight forecast for the next couple hours. Clear, a little chilly on the air for midnight, mid to lower 50s. I think we officially bottom out around 52 to 53 tomorrow morning, but watch what happens. Cloud cover builds in by about 3 and 4 a.m. And more importantly, that helps produce a little bit more fog with the elevated humidity. So tomorrow morning, the commute a little difficult. Leave about 15, 20 minutes early because this may generate some traffic along I-35, 410, 1604. Tomorrow's forecast, though, again, morning fog, afternoon sunshine, highs upper 70s, lower 80s. Only thing we're watching is a very weak area of low pressure in the Gulf. That's just going to swing a little bit more cloud cover and humidity our way, which again will produce some overnight fog early tomorrow, early Tuesday, and early Wednesday. When does winter return? Because again, next 7 days, 80s. But next cold front moves in by Sunday evening, next Sunday, so about 7 days out from now. That'll drop highs from the 80s down into the 50s here in San Antonio. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. Look at that, 82 Tuesday, 83 Thursday, and we're forecasting in some days record-challenging heat. February 7th, February 8th, 84 to 85. Sunday, small chance of rain as that next cold front moves in, and then highs go from the 80s down to the 50s and 60s by the 10th and 11th. So 80s next 7 days, Phil, very, very
Definitely
warm.
does not give off 6 more weeks of winter vibe.